What's up on YouTube? So it is the Cherry Girls. So right now we're in Target right now, and my cousin is with me today. So I am about to be acting weird in front of everyone. So, well, I'm in front of my my mom, sisters, and my cousin Bianca. So I am about to be acting weird. I'm about to be screaming. Like I'm gonna be like screaming like out loud. So I'm about to be acting super weird. So right now. I'm about to be acting super weird. Let's get it popping. Let's get it.
Now stop being a bear.
Today we're at Target. I got my mom with me. Oh, we.
Because you said how much money do you have? Like how much is your shirt? I said
Nyla. Why? Are you making out?
I'm gonna go
Nyla. Stop.
Yeah, I'm trying not to get myself in trouble, but I really want to do this video, so I'm gonna keep doing this video. Yeah.
shut up now.
Oh, I'm alright. I don't know why we're still in this aisle, but this is so funny. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to the camera. I'm about to be doing some video. Let's go. I really want to go myself in trouble.
That's the problem, Mommy.
Oh, she make a bear noise. Okay. Okay. You have everything?
Where's she?
Dallas.
Shut up. Take out of my face.
Sorry. Yeah, my cousin. Let's get it.
Because nobody bought them. Because they were $60. Target what? Target what? Oh, this is cute too. I need something to wear tomorrow. To a winery.
I like that one.
But it's long. It's long.
How to split up to you. No. Who are you? Stop acting like you have to. I know. Who are you? Stop laughing. You're doing a dumb fucking stupid video. No, I'm gonna take the phone.
Okay, sorry.
We're just talking about this.
Yeah.
What's that one? Yeah.
I'm still gonna do this. Oh my god. I don't want to remember. I don't want this phone to get taken away. Okay.
Yeah. And sneakers.
Oh, she can order. Yeah, I'm trying. Okay, I'm gonna get y'all back when I can't do this because everybody have an attitude for some reason. I'm gonna get y'all.
I hate that I can't tell. Like that girl at Cosmo, I think that was our neighbor.
Yeah, that was our neighbor. Yeah, that was our neighbor. Yeah, she's really nice.
Yeah, I know her.
Yeah,
That neighbor.
that girl.
I'm not picture.
No, we just outside.
Yes, that's her.
Oh, nah, he got his mask. No, I won't play that. He got his mask off. I don't know what she mean. Well, these pants are too short on me. in now. You better calm down. I ain't playing with you now. Hey, we're coming.
Where's the teen one?
Bless you. Bless you.
I need to find this. I love
I want the one up there. I'm a cow. For wait.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, let's get this.
Please stop. No, like, you want to stop? Dude. I'll hit you harder, huh? I'll see your jaw.
Yeah.
Like, I will. Now, open your ticket.
Yeah, I can't stop laughing right now. It's stupid. Wow, this stuff is super funny. So I'm trying to get everything that I can do, but like.
She's a TikToker, not like a, and she would have 100K.
Yeah.
She just went past. You just walked past her.
Dirty mama. Well, I'm gonna grab this on big table, but.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Stop. That big witch comes out. Mom, you can tell you what it is. Yeah, Mama said good.
Please don't hurt me. Oh no, that doll on the floor.
I know. Jesse, yeah, Mama said good.
Please don't hurt me. Oh no, that doll on the floor.
I know. Jesse kisses in the bed.
You aren't drinking anything. Because since you want to be keeping. Nyla.
Sorry.
She's 12 years old.
I can cut it all out.
Because, Mommy, when I drink at night,
I know, I saw her and I'm like, guys.
and Mommy, when I drink,
Sorry.
when I drink at night, when I drink at night, I feel my bladder, so I drink at night.
Get up and go.
Probably because I can't drink too much soda. I mean, you know, I need to change that up. It's Bianca.
Nyla.
Why are you laughing, Mommy?
Sorry. Sorry.
Yes.
We're checking out. Okay, you guys, we're checking out now. Oh, over here? Okay. Can I have candy?
No. Yes.
Hey. Okay. Everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy. Okay. Can I have that one?
Let's get it on here.
This is second. But I want to. Okay, guys, so you guys, we're about to. I'm gonna give me a quick. No, I don't want any candy actually. I'm getting Starbucks. Like, we're gonna go get Starbucks.
Oh.
You already seeing that.
Okay, Ocean, where's your shirt?
Okay.
Which one?
Here, Ocean. Stop, Nyla. Dallas.
Sorry.
This is mine. Daryl, stop freaking playing with me.
So we're gonna get y'all in a minute. We're in the car. I'm gonna get y'all. Let's get my car. So y'all, I just got my Starbucks, and by the way, I do not own copyright, so I hope I don't get copyrighted, cause I don't want to get copyrighted. But anyways, I got my Starbucks, and you guys, my mom got really mad at me after. She said, shut up while I'm checking that phone. Alright, I'm trying to do a video, cause I want to do a video. So I decided I'm about to do this video. So, oh, by the way, I want to give a shout out to Jay and Ken Empire. I found this prank from them, so make sure I subscribe to them, because I got this prank idea from them. I saw Ken do it on him. Super funny and hilarious. So I decided, I was like, let me try that. So yeah, so make sure I like to do it so I can do more pranks with my mom like this. They ignore me. Alice? Right now, they're ignoring me right now because they think I'm really annoying. So like, since they think I'm really annoying, well, my mom doesn't think I'm really annoying. Yay! We got my Starbucks all aboard the choo-choo train. Oh, her mom's drink. I forgot. Aw, I wanted a croissant.
Well, you guys got stuff. That's yours.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Here go Mia. Oh shit. Oh. Wow.
Stop.
Sorry.
Mia's mom. Remember we met her at math.
You good?
I remember we went to school. Oh no.
Why did you guys get small and I got medium?
Nobody cares.
Are you gonna try to call me fat?
Nyla. What's your drink?
Don't call me fat.
Oh, Nyla.
Watch out, Nyla.
Why would you call me fat? Come on. I'm going home. No troll left behind. Okay, so now we're outside and I'm going to Starbucks. I'm about to tell mom what's a prank, so that's my mom. Okay.
Strawberries and cream.
I can finally breathe. Okay, girl, slow down.
Okay, girl.
Slow down.
Who wants to open my car door when we get there? It's really cool.
Dawson probably. Or I will.
That was dumb. You're not ghetto.
Stop. Leave her alone.
Hey, leave me alone. That's not nice.
Nyla, oh my God.
Sorry. Your mom, I have something to tell you. So I had to
Everybody knows that you were doing a prank now. You dumb.
Hey. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, we're on the car. So the video I was doing on being loud to see how my my family reacts.
Oh.
That's what I was doing.
Mama already knew that.
So if I was acting I was acting like a baby.
Mom, and Mom, that's dumb. That's dumb. That's a horrible prank in the whole entire world. And that's cool to eat up too.
So make sure I like, comment, subscribe. This video might be posted soon. So yeah, sorry you guys. Bye. Bye guys. See you later. Peace out.